the objects are contacted together, we need to find their acceleration. If I have a force equal to 10 newtons and the mass equal to 2 kilograms, who can tell me how much the acceleration? It is F over M. It's 5 meters per square second. Okay, what if I have the same mass, the same force, acting on an object 2 kilograms with another object 4 kilograms? So the total mass will be 2 plus 4, which is 6. So the acceleration is equal to 10 over 6. Just because we have two masses. The same thing. If we have a string between these two masses. If I have a pulling force, and also here I have a pulling force, but I have a string between these two objects. It's the same. It's the same. And we have a tension force between these objects. This is the first object, this is the second object. We have the first mass and we have the weight from the first mass. If the first mass is equal to 10 kilograms, this is equal to 15 kilograms. And we have a tension force here, which is the same as the tension force here. We don't have any, yes, we have a frictional force here. Frictional force equal to negative 15 newtons, because it is to this direction. Compute the total acceleration. Now, we need to look at the first object. We need to use the free body diagram. We have the weight downward, the tension force upward. So the summation of the forces on the first object, then summation of 1 is equal to, we don't have XY plane here. All of them are on the spring, on the string direction. It is equal, the force is equal MA on the first object, which is equal to, we can use this direction is positive, this direction is negative. Right? Right. So the weight will be positive. The weight, which is 10 G minus T to this direction. What about the force on the second object? It is equal MA2. The same thing. Which is equal to, we have the tension to the positive direction. We have the frictional force to the negative direction, negative 15. But both objects will move with the same acceleration. So A1 and A2 are the same. Okay? T is the same. We have these equations. We need to find, this is M1, this is M2. We need to find the acceleration. Add them together. M1 plus M2 A plus M2 A is equal to 10G minus T plus T minus 15. T with minus T will be cancelled. We can take M1 and M2 A as a common factor. M1, it is 10 plus 15, it is 25, is equal to 10G minus 15. The acceleration, just divide over 25. 10G is almost 100. It is 98 minus this number. The acceleration will be equal. So A will be equal to plus 2.96 meters per square centimeter. Plus means to this direction. So these two objects will be falling down, right? Will go to this direction by acceleration 2 point or almost 3. But if it is just one object, if it is just the mass M1, it will fall downward by A equal to G, which is 9.8. But we have another object with it, with a frictional force. Because of that, the falling will be slowly, more slowly.